children, welcome to the another session of your social class. This is the 18th video. As every time I am giving you some GK questions, this time also I would like to give you two small GK questions which you know the answers pretty well. Right? The 33rd question is, already 32 questions are over. This is the 33rd one. What are the other names of India? What are the other names of India? What are the other names of India? The 34th one is, come on children, note down. Now the another one we know very well. When do we celebrate our Republic Day? When do we celebrate our Republic Day? When do we celebrate our Republic Day, children? On January 26th. I told the answer also. Okay, no problem. Continue. Okay. Now, what is the other names of India? And when do we celebrate our Republic Day? Okay. So, come to the previous video. What we are discussing about our today topic is India, our water resources. Though India is on the whole earth, 71% of land is covered with the water. Only 29% is covered with the land. Okay. In this 71%, there are oceans, seas, ponds, lakes and rivers. These are all are there. And apart from that, underground also, under the surface of the underground also, water is present. This under the ground level of underground water is called the water table. Water table. Next, though we have a source, we have many sources of water, even though we have shortage of drinking water. Why we are having shortage of drinking water, though we have so many sources of water? Because the water in the ocean and the seas, the most of the area is occupied oceans and seas only. Though we have a large area of land is covered with water, we have shortage of water because these water of oceans and seas are salty. Salt water can we drink? We cannot drink for salt water. We cannot drink salt water and we cannot use it for irrigation also. That means farmers also could not use this water for their crops. Only this salt water is used for making salt. That is why though we have a huge land of water bodies, but we have shortage of water. And in India, hardly we have 2 or 3 months among the 12 months, 2 or 3 months it rains. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater is very fresh water and the source of water. Because of this rains only, is all rivers, pond, lakes, all will fill with the rainwater only. But this rainwater only 2 or 3 months only we are getting. So remaining all the months it is dry up. And in some areas there will be no rains at all in these 2 months also. That is why here we have a shortage of water. And these rivers, we have rivers, so many rivers. These rivers also full of water during the monsoon months. That means in the rainy season these rivers are full of water. But because of the floods due to heavy rains on the mountains, these floods flood comes. Because of these floods, the rivers overflow and they go and fall in the oceans or seas. The difference between an ocean and a sea already I told you in the previous video also, and again I am telling that ocean is a big, very big, and sea also it is ocean only. It is a part of the ocean which is very close to the continent, which is touching a continent, that is called a sea, and it is a shallow. Shallow means less deep. Ocean is a very depth. Ocean's depth is very. It is very depth. Ocean is very, very depth. But sea is a less deep. So this is the difference between a ocean and a sea. And many of rivers dry up. Many of the rivers dry up because of during the hot summer months. Hot summer months, in the month of mainly these rain-fed rivers are there, no, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi. These rivers are rain-feds. Rain-fed means when the rain comes, these rivers flow. Otherwise, they will dry up during the summer months. So it is a shortage of water will be there more in the summer months because all the rivers will dry up. These municipalities and corporations also could not get water from any rivers because they will dry up in the hot summer months, right children? So due to these reasons we have a shortage of water. Right, now distribution of water and these water resources on the earth like rivers, ponds, lakes, oceans and seas, these are not distributed on the earth equally. So somewhere the rivers are there, somewhere the ponds are there, somewhere lakes are there, somewhere oceans and seas are there. So these are not equally distributed. Where the rivers are there, there the people will get more water. Where the rivers are not there, there people could not get water, and they have to walk miles and miles to get a pot of water for drinking. There is a lot of shortage of drinking water in some areas. Okay, because of this uneven distribution of the water bodies on the earth. Now river water where the rivers are there, the people will dug the wells near the rivers and they draw water from the wells, right children? And this water is supplied, this water is cleaned and supplied for as a drinking water, and this water is also used for the irrigation. And wells and tube wells. These tube wells are wells which pumps are installed. For these tube wells, pumps are installed. These pumps run on electricity or diesel. These pumps are what they will do, they already told these runs with the electricity or diesel. Whenever we put the switch, they dig water from the ground, and these tube wells are very big, and these tube wells mainly used in agriculture. These tube wells are used in mainly agriculture, because in agricultural land the small pipes are not sufficient. They should have a big tube wells they need to get the water. So in this way hand pumps are worked by hand to draw the water from the deep inside the earth, like canals and dams. Small channels are constructed to take the water from the river to the fields. So these small channels are called canals. These small channels are canaled. See, somewhere the river is there. We should not go and get the water from there. We cannot carry the water. That is why these canals constructed from the river to fields, villages and all. So government also constructed one canal, that is Indira Gandhi Canal at Rajasthan. This canal is constructed on the Satluj river. Where it is constructed, children? It is constructed on the Satluj river. On the Satluj river. And these canals, what they will do? These canal will take the water to north to west of Rajasthan. These canals supply water for drinking and for the irrigation also. And the next one is dams. These dams are walls built across the river to stop the water, to store the water in a place. That place is called the reservoir. The back side of the water, this is called the reservoir. From this reservoir, water will supply through the canals to the fields and villages, whatever they want for drinking, everything. From these reservoir, the water is supplying. And the force of on the dams, gates also will be there. The gates are called sluice gates. These gates can open and close to control the speed of the water, flow of the water. And through this speed of the water, we produce electricity. Because we are producing this electricity through the water, that is why this electricity is called hydroelectricity. What it is called, children? Hydroelectricity. So these dams, because of these dams, here hydroelectricity we are producing, and through this reservoir, through the canals, we are giving water for the irrigation. Irrigation is very, very important. Without irrigation, how we will eat the food and all? Through the irrigation only we are getting the food. So electricity also we are using. Without electricity also we cannot do anything, right? So these dams we are using these dams in multi-purpose, right? These dams are using in many ways for us. That is why these dams are called multi-purpose projects. These dams are called multi-purpose projects. And some major dams in our country are so many major dams are said, not only one or two dams, we have so many dams. That dams will let you know that because these dams we are getting electricity, and we are using these dams for the irrigation also. So we have so many dams and projects. What are those? We will see that. One is Bakra Nangal Dam. What is that? Bakra Nangal Dam. The second one is Farakka Barrage. What is that? Farakka Barrage. The third one is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. The fourth one is Sardar Sarovar Dam. Sardar Sarovar. What is the fourth one, children? Sardar Sarovar Dam. The next one is Damodar. What is that? Damodar Valley Project. Damodar Valley Project. Damodar Valley Project. The sixth one is Hirakud Dam. What is the sixth one, students? Hirakud Dam. All these are major dams. We have so many dams, but these are the major dams we have. What are those dams, students? See, one is Bakra Nangal Dam. The second one is Farakka Barrage, and the third one is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, and the fourth one is Sardar Sarovar Dam. The fifth one is Damodar Valley Project, and the sixth one is Hirakud Dam. And where they are built, already this Indira Gandhi canal on the Satluj river we built the Indira Gandhi canal. You got it now? Now the one more, this Bakra Nangal dam also on the Satluj river only it has built. Where it has built? Satluj river. Satluj river. Where it is located? In Punjab. Satluj river in Punjab. The next one is Farakka barrage. Farakka barrage is built on Ganga river. Ganga river, where is this Ganga river is located? Ganga river. Ganga river. It is located in the West Bengal. Ganga, on the river in West Bengal, this Farakka barrage is built. Ganga river is there in another states also, but where the Ganga in the West Bengal, where the Ganga river is there, there this Farakka barrage built. West Bengal. West Bengal. Now Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is here only, where near Vijayawada. If you go, you can see the Nagarjuna Sagar. So in the Vijayawada water river we have Krishna river. Krishna river. So what is our state, children? Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. And Sardar Sarovar Dam. Where is Sardar Sarovar Dam? Narmada river in Gujarat. Narmada river in where? Gujarat. Narmada river in Gujarat. Now Damodar Valley project is on Damodar river. Damodar river. Where it is? In the West Bengal only. And Hirakud Dam is constructed on the Mahanadi in Odisha. Mahanadi. Where? Odisha. Children, see, we have so many major dams are there. Bakranangal Dam it is located in the it is built on the Satluj river and Punjab, and Farakka barrage in Ganga river on the West Bengal, and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Krishna river in Andhra Pradesh, and Sardar Sarovar Dam, Narmada river in Gujarat, and Damodar Valley project in Damodar river in West Bengal, and Hirakud Dam in Mahanadi and Odisha. Not only this, nowadays people are opposing to construct these dams in their places, because when they wanted to build a dam, they have to vacate that place. The people should vacate the place, and it is and plant life and animal life also in that area is disturbed. So these environmentalists are saying that it is not good for the environment, and these scientists also are telling that where the dams are built there, these earthquakes may come. That is why these people, those are evacuating from their place, they are not willing to give their land for the project, but ultimately if the government decide to take one land from anybody, they will give some money and they will take for the land. For example, they wanted to wide this road, our school road, they wanted to wide wide road for the transport and all. If they want from our school some place they want, we have to give that place. We cannot say no to the government because they will pay for that. They will pay, but we have to give the place. We cannot say that this is our place, this is our forefathers' place. We don't give. They will not listen. We have to give the place if the government asks. Though it is environmental problem, it is not good for the wildlife, plant life and animal life, and human life also will disturbed. Even though if they ask, we have to give. These scientists are opposing, and the people are also opposing to construct the dams in their areas. So up to here we have completed canals and dams. And in the next video, we will see that the water conservation and rainwater harvesting. We will see, children. And till that, you have to watch the videos. Please watch the videos and answer the questions, because from that videos only we are giving the questions. If you don't watch the video, you cannot write the answers. In this COVID situation, you have to watch the videos carefully. Otherwise, you will lose everything and you will not get any knowledge. You will forget everything. That is why with heart we are doing these videos and we are sending to you. Students, please do cooperate with us and do like, share. Thank you.